What's up guys, sakurazeus here, and I've got the new Slingshock dual packs, Blizzard X Gaianon G4 and Kerbeus K4. So this actually includes a Gaianon G2 recolor and a Kerbeus K3, but they renamed it just to make it seem more relevant, which I don't really agree with. Kerbeus comes with heavy, and it looks like it's supposed to be Survive S, I believe. So the Slingshock version Survive. Gaianon G2 or G4 comes with 1 and Hunter S, which looks a lot like Extreme. So I have Extreme to compare, but yeah, so here's the back of the box. So it's showing the both of the layers. So Slingshock, here's the stuff for it. And for Survive, here's the stats. So now I'm gonna open it. Here are the two bays, and first I'm going to go over Garden Kerbeus. So here's the layer, if I can focus. Okay, and here's the TT1. So the middle part's a little bit smaller. It also does not have the gimmick, which is the absorption here. This does not have any sort of absorption. The colors doesn't look as good. But overall, I think they did a decent job just for including here. I didn't really think they would include that. And the eyes are green. So here's the bottom. Got the code. Right here. Heavy, no reason to go over it. It's a pretty standard disc. It's coming on a lot of bays. Here it is, the Survive S, I believe. So to change it, there's a tab here. You turn it, and it goes out or in. It's like in the middle here, it could stay here and be like a Unite. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a small, like, the camera won't focus, but there's a small point, so it's kind of like a Unite. But yeah, here's in Survive mode, so it's kind of disappointing they didn't include Revolve. Oh man, the slopes are really bad. At least mine is. I know Goop said he had a good one, or his seemed pretty good, but my slopes are terrible. So yeah, next up is Gaianon G2 or Gaianon G4, whichever one you want to call it. It looks so good. I really like the recolor. Here's the other two Gaianons. Probably my favorite one, especially like just the white and how the blue is. Although I don't really like the green in the middle, and it looks like you can't really tell right now, but I'll try to take out the green, but see if I can remove the code. I'm not really a fan of that code part. Next part is one. Originally came with Siege, Excalibur, and here's the driver, which is an interesting thing. So this is a Hunter, right? But the point of rubber is actually larger than Extreme, which is really weird. So, and the plastic does feel a little bit harder than normal Extreme, so that's kind of interesting. You have to try that out. But yeah, so to twist it, you twist it here, and then you pull it up. It's kind of weird. You can do it again. There we go. So this is the Slingshock mode, and it is the same height as Jolt S. So now putting it together. Again, these slopes are not very good on this bay. Kind of interesting. So here it is, yeah. So here are the two bays. So we can activate it again. Wrong way. Anyway, yeah. So here you go. Looks like the a little bit taller here. Oh, so it's in the middle. Okay, I get it. Wait, actually, I'm not really sure right now. Oh, it's all the way here. Never mind. Anyway, yeah, so that's what they look like. And I'm gonna do some battles. Okay, so I'm gonna do some battles with the bays not in Slingshock mode here. So they're both gonna be in the normal mode. And then I'll do some battles in the Slingshock Stadium in Slingshock mode. Got the bays in Slingshock mode, just battles in the Slingshock Stadium. That's my unboxing review of the Kerbeus K4 and Gaianon G4 dual pack. Should you buy this pack? I would say no, but if you want to try out this Hunter S, I would say get it for Hunter S and the layer, because TT Garden Kerbeus has bad teeth and it's a great bay. Like, it was a great bay, but you know, it's outclassed now. But like, the Hazard one might be even better, but I really haven't tested it, so I can't tell you. And this driver is like, this is basically large and extreme, and it can be tall or short, so it might be really good for competitive. And G2 is a great layer, so I haven't really tested it, but I would say if you want to try this out and do some testing, and yes, and maybe I'll put in the comments later if I do some testing if it's, think you should pick it up. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.